Hey friends, tired of the same old boring volume sliders on your phone? Then you must try the volume styles custom control app. By using that, you can manually use and restyle the volume button. This app lets you customize your volume panel completely from changing colors, themes to even applying iOS, MIUI, Oxygen OS, or One UI style sliders. It's super easy and looks amazing. Just go to your Google Play Store, then search uh, volume style, VOLUME, volume style. Alright, custom CUSTOM, custom control CUNTROL, control, then search it. But first of all, do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more technical tips, tricks and hacks. Download this application which have this logo, and it have already 10 million downloads. Alright, best application. Just by using this application, you can also control media, calls, notifications, alarms, and system volume separately with a clean and stylish interface. Plus, it's lightweight and does not slow down your phone. So, if you want to give your Android a fresh premium look, the volume sliders custom control app is a must have. So don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe for more cool Android tips and apps reviews. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye, best of luck.